We now come to the intangible cultural heritage part of paper making. This paper has 12 different processes. It's called Pinyang paper. It was used by the royal family, and nowadays many people are using it to make the beautiful calligraphy and paintings and stuff. Please tell me how to do this job well.
提腹就是出水，出水得掌握平衡，不要一按出来一按不出。
What I'm going to do is I'm going to stir up the pulp now, stirring up all the pulp so that it actually makes it come up out of the ground because it sinks down. Well, not very good. Not very good, eh? So let's just do that out again. There, like that.
往水里走，深一点。走，到这儿，到这儿往下面往下走。哎，往水里走一点啊，往下。哎，对。这样。
Okay, better. Thank you. Thank you. 谢谢。
这个平阳麻剪呢，从唐至清呢，被这个皇家作为这个贡制。麻的这个纤维细而长，它做出来只能质地优良、韧性好、吸墨也好，存放的时间也长，它可以存放1000年不腐烂。我们现在主要是进景区、进校园。 通过进景区，就是让广大市民了解这个麻纸是怎么做来的；进校园呢，是让下一代小学生们了解到，哎，这个麻古法做纸是怎么做出来的麻纸。
Whoa. Well, it needs a woman's touch. It needs a woman's touch. No, it needs a woman's touch. Okay. You certainly need a lot of skill, and I must say I'm very impressed with you. Wow, you're very careful. Very well done. Thank you. Today I experienced the traditional paper making process of Pinyang hemp paper and understood how this ancient Chinese royal paper was produced. The Chinese invented paper more than 2,000 years ago, and it spread to all over the world and had a profound impact on world civilization. It is great to see that ancient paper making is still being passed on in China.